Shut your mouth. Okay, so hey guys, can't you see there's a new update on Toca Life? I mean, on Avatar World, like I said.
Basil.
You guys are really need money. Come on, subscribe. I'm trying to help out my parents here. Like, come on. Please, just something. You guys, at least just please money. Because if you don't, I need the bundle. Plus the baby room. Like, I need bundles and stuff, bro. Y'all, please subscribe. Oh yeah, y'all never check out my freaking channel. Very Let me get it. Like I said, I want you guys to subscribe. You guys never subscribe. If you don't subscribe, we will be poor forever. So subscribe right now. You guys know where the like and subscribe is. So subscribe, man. People acting stupid these days. If you don't subscribe, we will be poor forever, and I really need the bundle. So subscribe, people. Please, you guys, let me go on YouTube real quick and change my channel's name.
Bisa dari balu? De balu?
Ya. Ya.
C'est pour que vous ayez acheté des gars. Vous pouvez dire que là, one can aller.
Bum, look the way your body is. And that's the confidence, okay, I like your confidence. You guys, how do I change my name again? I forgot. Bum, bum, bum.
Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all.
What the? I'm doing a picture at the end. You really want to do a picture with me?
I don't want to do no picture. Who liked this? Who's liking my video? Please like, only got 5 likes, you guys, come on. Like. Well, I'm trying to change my channel's name, but nothing is working. Wait, you guys, I'm